A question I occasionally hear is whether you can buy GTA Shark cards with an Xbox gift card. The answer is definitely yes. You can buy Shark cards with Xbox gift card money, and I'll explain how in this short video. I'll also show you what happens when you don't have enough gift card money to finish the purchase. You might already be starting out with money in your Xbox account, but in GTA select the Xbox Store tab. Here I'll select the Great White Shark card for $19.99. On the purchase page I can see that I have $20.57 left in gift card money on my account. But it isn't enough to buy the Shark card because of sales tax, so when I try to make the purchase on the next screen, it will ask me how do I want to pay the rest. From here I can use a credit card or add more gift card money. Because I needed to cover the added tax, I went to Xbox.com and bought a $3 Xbox gift card and added it to my account. Once the 25-digit code has been confirmed, I now have $23.57 and can complete my Shark card purchase. In Grand Theft Auto 5, I can see my Shark card balance at the top right of the screen, but I can also go into the virtual bank and see my balance in there too. So that's basically how to use an Xbox gift card to buy a Shark card in Grand Theft Auto 5. Any leftover Xbox gift card money remains in your Xbox account for future use. And now you can have fun with your GTA in-game purchases. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.